168 hours in a week. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So, been talking about a lot of interesting things on the live streams recently. So, came up about time, not enough time, time management, things like that. So, gonna kind of recap a chat that I had with my dad 28 years ago, 29 years ago, that I said I didn't have enough time. And after about 2 hours of lecture, I found out that I had plenty of time. So I got asked, do you know how many hours are in a week? And I went, I don't know, 100? And he said, no, 168. And I was like, holy crap, that's a big number. So let's just kind of go through this. And this is a very, very, very busy schedule. I'm going to show you something in just a minute. So 168, let's say you get 7 hours of sleep, 7 days a week. Let's say you work 50 hours. So you're busy. You are busy. Eating an hour a meal, 3 times a day, 7 days a week. Commuting. Let's say you have an awful amount of time, and we're going to give you an hour a day just driving around. Then another 10 hours of just straight up errands throughout the week. Then family time, you got stuff you got to do every day, 7 days a week, 2 hours a day. So now we run this and we're subtracting all this out. And I want to show you 17 hours left. 17 hours. 17 divided by 7. It's almost 2.5 hours. You don't have to do anything crazy. You don't even have to do just 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes of something extra a week. 45 minutes of something every day. This is 2 hours and what that? It's 24 minutes. 2 hours and 24 minutes a day that is available. Now, for me, when I don't have anything left, this is 2 hours and 24 minutes of wasted time. Because I have found that if I don't have anything to do, it's mismanagement. Now, there can be some distractions, but I just want to show you that I call it stacking. If you can stack everything up, you can find time, even in the busiest of busiest schedules. So there we go, guys. Make sure you're dropping any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're joining the Discord link down below so you can get the help that you need and deserve. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.